Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 BMW X6. So from any screen, I'm just going to turn the heater down, otherwise it's going to knock my cameras off. Just put some cool air on them because they'll be overheating. So from any screen, if you go into telephone here, you'll see there contacts, recent contacts and so on. But on the right hand side, if you knock the eye control across there, you see connect new device or my phone there, Barry's iPhone 13. If I knock it across again, Bluetooth audio, apps, connect device, and off the screen is delete device, so you may not see it. Delete device. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 BMW X6. So from any screen you can either navigate to communication like so, or click the telephone there. Click the telephone, you'll see their contacts. That means absolutely nothing. If you knock the iDrive over, if you're on recent calls or contacts at the top and you knock the iDrive across, you'll see there connect new telephone. So click on connect new telephone. I now need to make sure that Bluetooth is on. Bluetooth's on there, so I'm going to be watching out at the bottom. It's already come up. BMW 02764, BMW 02764. Click on that. Bluetooth pairing request pair, and then I have to OK it over there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And in a second it will be connected. There you go, BMW 027 connected. It's connected on the phone, it's just catching up on the actual unit itself here. And that's it, that's it done. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 BMW X6. First thing you do is you go to music, check at the bottom there, make sure BMW is highlighted. If it's not, just click on the silver circle, sorry, the three silver circles and the triangle there. Make sure there's a tick next to there. If it wasn't, just touch it, tick it, go back. We'll click play. It's turned down at the moment. Now we now go over to media, which is the top left button, click media. It's already on my phone. If it wasn't, if I knock it across like so, and again, you'll see there what I could be listening to. If I click it on auxiliary and then go back, again, I come over to the unit, I've clicked media, it's on auxiliary, I want it on phone, I click across again, and then onto Barry's iPhone, click that, select that. Now if I turn this up, the speakers are second to none. Brilliant. I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 BMW X6. Basically from any screen, you click on nav. If you click on map first and you just want to see where you're going, there you go, that's it, the picture up there. And then if you knock the eye control across there you go, route guidance, route, spoken instructions and so on. But if you go to nav, if you just click nav again, quick search, home address, so you get into the menu that way. You can do it one or two ways. Quick search, recent destination, address input. We'll try address input. It's already it's already got an address in. Now you can use the voice activation and say address if you go to the top there, or I want postcode. So again, it's giving me a chance to input it by voice, but it never recognises my voice. So we'll P, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR. We now need to go to numbers. You've got more characters there. Click on more characters and the numbers come up. So we're PR5, 4, it's defaulted back to letters, and we want A. PR5, 4E8, and then you've got to click the centre for OK. I don't need a street, so just scroll down, start route guidance, then we've just got to pick one. They're all the same. We'll put Higher Walton. Start route guidance, route fast or change criteria. I don't want to do anything that. That's perfect for me. If I just go across again, if I click to the left and then go down, you've got spoken instructions there.
Prepare to make a U-turn.
So there you go. There's a tick in spoken instructions now, so it will tell you what to do. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.